So square root of 2 over 7 minus square root of 7 over 2. So this one, I can rewrite this as square root of 2 over square root of 7 minus square root of 7 over square root of 2. And this is not in the simplest form, and we should actually rationalize the denominator, right? So this one, so how do I rationalize? I multiply both the numerator and denominator by square root of 7, the same thing. And for this one, to rationalize, we need to multiply both by square root of 2. So then I get the numerator, I get square root of 14 over 7. Now I rationalize. This is 7 is a rational number. And this will be square root of 14 over 2. Now this is just like any other fraction. So I take the LCD, which is 14. So 7 goes into 14 twice. So 2 radical 14 minus 7 radical 14, which is equal to negative 5 square root of 14 over 14. So I can rewrite this as 5 times square root of 16 over square root of 3 minus square root of 9 over square root of 2. And square root of 16 is 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. 20 over square root of 3 minus square root of 9 is 3. 3 over square root of 2. So now I'm going to rationalize the denominators individually. So this will be 20 square root of 3 over square root of 3 times square root of 3 minus 3 times square root of 2 over square root of 2 times square root of 2. So then I get 20 root 3 minus over 3 minus 3 root square root of 2 over 2. Now from here I'm going up. So this will be the LCD is 6. So I get 20 times 2, which is 40 square root of 3 minus, so this goes to 3, so this will be 9 square root of 2. So the answer, so you cannot simplify because it's, they are like, you can actually simplify, no, you cannot. So this is the answer. So square root of 3 and square root of 2 are two different radicals. They are not like terms. We cannot simplify. So this is the simplified form. So this is 8 square root of 10. So this will be 8 square root of 10. And 3 times square root of 40. I can simplify this as 4 times 10. And then plus 5 times square root of 1 is square root of 1. Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 10. Now I need to simplify this. So this will be 8 square root of 10 minus, I can take out 2. So this will be 6 square root of 10 plus, I'm going to rationalize the denominator. So this will be 5 times square root of 10 over 10. So 8 square root of 10 minus 6 square root of 10 is 2 square root of 10 plus 5 goes into 10, 2. So this will be square root of 10 over 2. Now I'm going to do the LCD. So this will be, LCD is 2. So it will be 4 square root of 10 plus square root of 10. So you get 4 plus 1, 5 square root of 10 over 2. So here I'm going to distribute this 5 radical 2 to everything inside the parentheses. So this will be 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times square root of 16 minus 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times square root of 24. Now square root of 16 is 4. So this will be 20 times 4, which is 80. And then 10 times square root of 24 is 4 times 6, right? So square root of 4 times square root of 6, and then I can take out 2 from square root of 4, so this will be 20 times square root of 6. So the answer is 32. Yes, 80 minus 20 square root of 6.